Hey everybody, it's White Wolf Train here. We're gonna take a meet in a second. It's nighttime. I have a train coming. I see you down there. There's another train coming. The light just went on the corner to me. It's way down there. You have two lights anyway. I just pulled up and I just left and I just saw another train. Light went on the corner. Another train coming by. Better go in the car. Alright, we have a train coming. It's like an Amtrak. I think it's Amtrak horn. It's like an Amtrak. Way down there. There's up away here. Someone's not now. Train's coming. That was awesome. Oh, another train's on the move. Subliminate train is NS. Subliminate train is ELC that goes to Porter, Indiana. Heads east to Chester, Indiana. Lets people off the station. When it's done, go ahead to Porter, the empties. And we have another train is on the move. It's like an FD-70 Ace. It's like an Ace horn. It's like an Ace horn. Like an FT-70 Ace. Trailing. Some trains on the move. We have the on the move. See, you'll see horn. It's gonna take a while, a bit. He's on the move. Look, he's on the move. It's a little windy. And how long is he gonna be? He's going slow. And the light just went on the corner. We have a train being alright. He's about to race another train. What are you doing about the race? Like it's on a train race. For some reason. But the train's on the move. So he might be going slow. It's gonna take a while. It's nighttime. It's just looked out there. It's raining. How long is it gonna take? One last train? Is it a short train? Yeah, but another train on the move. My battery's low. It's 1%. Get back battery, guys. I'm gonna wait in the car. It's like a horn battle. Not even going that fast. He's not even going that slow. Yep. It's not sunset. He's not going slow. Taking a while. Not to go slow. Is he going to switch tracks? So I don't know what he's doing. You can see his X train. Seems to be way down there going slow. He's on the move. Oh, all the gates going down. Why are the gates going down? Righteous, the train can't come and the gates going down at the same time. He is definitely going slow. His lights is turning. Loudies. Yep, that's 70. Crazy. Oh, the crazy, insane train beat right there. Civil on this train is NS 23K. 23K starts out on Chicago Line at 47th Street Yard. At least both 1 year trains by Yard on this about the LC 42 Hostage train beat at night. On this Wednesday. On this Thursday, August 1st, 2024 from Whiteville to Trains on YouTube. Before we go over to CSX, see if he's coming over here. We be a train beat. Spot cars. It's a long day at night. So we're gonna check some CSX trains coming over here. Maybe a triple meet at night. The one coming on CSX. Let's see. Nothing that way. And nothing this way. Alright, here comes the next video. Let me know in the comments that train me at night. Here comes the next video. Roll it.